Bringing the latest technological innovations to your production line gives you a lot of new opportunities, but it also brings a new set of challenges. Managing complex equipment with configurable software across the line is critical. The lack of control and traceability to changes definitely puts your productivity and quality at risk. Take your line management to the next level. ToolsTalk 2 is your solution for a quick and easy configuration. The ToolsTalk 2 database keeps track of all your activities. With customizable user permissions and complete program history, you will have full visibility and traceability. You will know what has been changed, by whom, and when. In the event of changes leading to a production aggravation, you can always compare and revert back to a previous version. Global programs keep the configuration across multiple stations synchronized. This makes different tools run the exact same program, reducing defects and downtime. The Software Center gives you a clear overview of the controller's active and stored software versions. The possibility to push updates ensures your entire line runs the latest approved software version. Configuration changes are made easy with instant feedback through live trace analysis. ToolsTalk 2 welcomes you to the world of knowing. Brought to you by Atlas Copco as part of the Smart Connected Assembly. You will maintain quality control in complex production systems and increase uptime in production critical operations. Contact your nearest Atlas Copco branch to secure a live demo of ToolsTalk 2.